Hi, this is Monster Boys 13.8, and this is our double Haro bike check. To start off, we're going to start off with the Haro grips to the Haro bar ends. We have Tektro brakes with a Haro tire with the red Alienation rim, green valve cap. Moving over to the fork, we have the Haro fork, the Haro stem, which is all Haro. The headset is also stock. Moving over to the pedals, Haro recycled pedals. The cranks are Haro cranks. The chain is the sprocket's Haro. Chain is KMC. This is a United pivotal seat. It has a kink seat post with the stock seat clamp. The back tire is also a Haro tire with the red Alienation rims and with the regular cassette, stock cassette. Moving over to my friend's bike over here.
I'm right here.
He has the Haro 350.1 dirt track bike.
What's yours?
Mine's the Haro 350.
What's mine?
350.1. Anyway, he has the stock grips, stock bar ends, Tektro brakes.
As you see, mine's dirty, so.
Odyssey Aitken tires with the Alienation plain black rim. His fork is also stock Haro fork. He has the stock Haro stem. His headset is Cane Creek headset. Moving over here to the pedals, he has the Haro recycled pedals. He has the Haro cranks, the Haro sprocket with a KMC chain. Moving over to his seat, he has the Haro pivotal seat with a Haro seat post and Haro seat clamp. I still don't know why he still has a reflector on it.
I still need to take that off.
But he still has on the back. He has the Odyssey Aitken tire with the Quando cassette hub, and that's it for our bike check.
This is Presley and my friend. He has an awesome bike. I'm jealous.